Alright, what is up, everyone? Got this massive box here from Nips Rips. I'm gonna see just how much stuff is in here. May do it live. Let's just see. And there goes the phone. Alright. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in there, so let's do that live. It looks like a bunch of stuff. Thank you so much, man. I have no idea how much I appreciate that. We'll do that live. So now, for this video, I brought this out here just in case. Anyone can tell me who that is right there? I'll send you something. Check this out. I thought this was pretty cool how where the tops goes over, takes out the bottom of the E so it looks like WWF. And I'll show you this Batman watch right quick. Cool Batman watch. Something just to keep. Let's get into this. This one does have a Relic, guaranteed. One Relic card per box. There's the sides of it. I mean the odds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So one's gonna be a Relic, I'm thinking. Let me just open them up. However we get them. Tommaso Ciampa. Big E wins his SmackDown Tag Team Championship for the New Day. Otis. Street Profits, Big E, Sheamus returns to action, Natalia. That's the backs of those. This is my first time opening these. '21 tops. Elias defeats King Corbin. I like that one. Jey Uso, John Morrison, Roman Reigns. Number 8 out of 50. That's a good one. Good pull. Viking Raiders defeat the Street Profits. Sonya Deville. Randy Orton challenges Edge. Dolph Ziggler, another Elias, Apollo Crews, Scott Hall defeats Roddy Piper for the United States Championship. 2/21/1999. Rest in peace to both those, Cesaro, Dakota Kai, and Sheamus. Randy Orton defeats Kevin Owens, Nikki ASH, Miz and Morrison. We got another number card. Montez Ford, 171 out of 199. Mandy Rose. Randy Orton defeats Edge. Timothy Thatcher rookie card. I have hit a Seth Rollins number to 15. But you don't hit numbered cards that often, especially 2 in a retail box. Jackson Riker. King Corbin's Court Stands Taller with the Bloodline. Nice one there. RKO on GMOA2. OAT. No, I've never seen that one. Those before. Viking Raiders and Street Profits. Drew McIntyre defeats Randy Orton. Goldberg. Street Profits defeat Angel Garza. Dana Brooke. Nice. Foley, Alexa Bliss. Right behind that, WrestleMania Matt Relics of Seth freaking Rollins from WrestleMania 35. Nice. And a King Nakamura. Drew McIntyre defeats MVP. Usos and New Day. Coolest mixed tag teams, Stephanie McMahon and Triple H. That's a cool one. Drew McIntyre, Cesaro defeats Drew Gulak, Commander Aziz. Naomi. Edge brawls with Randy Orton and attacks MVP Angelo Dawkins. Dolph Ziggler, Robert Roode earn the advantage for the Elimination Chamber. Shelton Benjamin. Angel Garza defeats Humberto Carrillo. Nice Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley is awesome. I think she had the women's title one time. She should be a champion now. Chad Gable, Seth Rollins attacks Drew McIntyre. Memorable entrances: Shawn Michaels, 2000 WrestleMania 25. Roman Reigns defeats King Corbin in a steel cage match. Omos Ricky. Roman Reigns defeats King Corbin in a Falls Count Anywhere match. 2 more packs. Tegan Knox. Shout out to the GOAT. Brandon Jensen. Bobby Lashley defeats Humberto Carrillo in a no disqualification match. Austin Theory. Drew Gulak. Foley Madness. Sonya Deville. The Elias box. The Miz defeats Kofi Kingston. Last pack. Drew McIntyre drops MVP in the VIP lounge. Karrion Kross. Drew McIntyre defeats Bobby Lashley. Scarlett. Damian Priest. Rey Mysterio. And a Rick Boots rookie card. Pretty nice cards right there. Hopefully you'll join me in the live stream to check out this Mailday from Nips Rips. Go and check him out if you haven't. I'll leave a link in the description. And 8 out of 50 on that one. Sweet stuff there. Let me know what you thought about the break. Have a great week, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.